Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have an interesting question. Why does the sky look blue? So let's begin. So I'm going to answer that question in the form of a comic. So here we have a blue character. Hi, I'm Azure. Let me tell you why the sky looks blue. Wow, the blue sky looks beautiful. Why does it look blue? Let's begin reading. The sky appears blue because of the sunlight, which is made up of different colors. Did you know sunlight is made up of more than one color? Well, we only see one color, but it actually has seven different colors. Let's continue. What? The sunlight has colors too? It may appear white to you, but it is actually made up of seven colors of the rainbow. You have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Do you want to see these colors separately? So here you can pass sunlight through this triangular glass, which is transparent. And then you'll see something beautiful. You'll see all the different colors, all the seven different colors. And I'm pretty sure you know this is a rainbow. And you could try the experiment too if you have a prism. Now, well, the atmosphere doesn't have a prism. So, what causes a rainbow? Let's continue reading. Have you seen all the colors in a rainbow? After the rain, the water droplets act like a prism, making a rainbow appear in sky. So the atmosphere have water droplets after rain, and they act like the prism. Wow, I can see the seven colors now. Of all the colors of the sunlight, we can only see the color blue. That is why the sky appears blue to us. So it answered our question to some extent. But why only blue? Why not yellow? Or why not violet? Let's continue reading. So we can see a rainbow because the sunlight gets separated into different colors. Why do we see just blue? Can't we see the other colors? The Earth receives many kinds of electromagnetic radiation from space, like radio waves, microwaves, and of course, visible light waves, which we can see. So, you guys could research what are electromagnetic waves, and here they've given examples of electromagnetic waves like radio waves, microwaves, visible light, there's gamma rays, X rays, and and a few more. So you guys could research and then you could come back. So let's continue reading. Light, like other forms of radiation, they travel in waves. Some light waves are short and others are long. Violet has the shortest wavelength among the seven colors. What is a wavelength? Here they've given in a yellow box. A wavelength is the distance between the peak and the valley. So violet has the shortest wavelength among the seven colors. On the other hand, red has the longest wavelength. So here, if you have a doubt on what is the wavelength and over here what do they refer to peak and valley, you can check out what is a wavelength. So you have another research question. So let's begin. Let's continue reading. So we saw that violet has the shortest wavelength and red has the longest. If we arrange the colors according to wavelength, it would be violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. When the wavelength is shorter, it becomes easier for light to pass through. So among red, amongst red and violet, which one has the shortest wavelength? Yes, violet has the shortest wavelength, which means light can pass easier through violet. All light travels in straight line unless it hits an obstacle in its path. Then it is either reflected as in a mirror or bent as through the prism. Oh no, oh, obstacle. Or scattered as in when it encounters molecules of air. The air around us has a lot of dust particles and moisture, due to which colors with shorter wavelength disperse the minute they hit the air. So, though we do not see it, there's lots of dust particles around us. There's carbon dioxide, there's a lot of type of gases too. And then light is being, what do you say, it disperses every minute they hit the air. So let's continue reading. Most of the colors with shorter wavelength tend to disperse in the air itself. The blue light disperses in the sky. That is why the sky looks blue. Violet and indigo also disperse in the sky. Why is that we only see blue? So actually, this is what I'm supposed to read first. So violet and indigo and blue, all they disperse in the air. They all have short wavelength. But the blue light disperses in the sky. So that's why the sky appears blue. That is because our eye sees the blue color first. But why does the sky near the horizon look light blue and sometimes white? That is because of the large amount and size of the dust particles present in the sky lower in the atmosphere. These two have really good questions for us today. If there are many dust particles that are really big, the light waves with longer wavelength also get scattered. Wow, oh my goodness. When all the colors scatter and mix, the sky becomes more white than blue. But that's not the case. Here, the sky appears blue and not white. So we learned why the sky is blue. At night the sun doesn't shine, and so the sky looks black. The color of the sky at night looks like its real color, doesn't it? Hmm. Now that we know why the sky looks blue during the day, let us find out why it looks red during sunset. The sun shines directly over the earth in the afternoon. So at 12 o'clock, if you go outside and you look up, the sun will be directly over your head. In the evening, it shines diagonally over the earth. As the distance increases, the rays from the sun hit more dust particles and water particles present in the air. Oh no, I'm falling behind. I'm going ahead. So if you see, this is a red, like out of all the 7 colors, here you have the red color and here you have the blue color. I'm going ahead. So the light rays with shorter wavelength get dispersed in the air before they reach the earth. Red and orange light waves have longer wavelength and reach earth faster. Yes, the earth is approaching. So if red and orange with a longer wavelength reach faster to earth, our eyes are going to see those colors first. So at that time, during sunset, we're going to see it as red. The red lights slip through all the obstacles to reach the earth. Hence, the sky looks red during sunset. Wow, the sunset looks beautiful. The picture over here isn't clear, but all of you can, if you go to the right location, you can definitely see the sunset. So we've approached the last page, and let's see what this page has to tell us. As the number of dust particles increases, the red light gets darker during sunset. So over here, if you see, you can see a volcano very angry. When the number of dust particles in the air increases, red is scattered and becomes visible, especially during a volcanic eruption. When a volcano erupts, huge amounts of volcano ash mingle with air, so more number of dust particles. Strong winds blow above the earth all the time. These winds carry the volcanic ash with them everywhere. The largest volcano eruption occurred when the volcanic island of, I'm not sure how we're going to pronounce this, but Krakatoa near Indonesia erupted in the 19th century. Wow, that must have looked weird. A strange red glow was seen all over the world at sunset for many months. Sunlight filters through the moon every night, but the sky doesn't look blue or red at night. It looks black. So here we have those two, the boy and the girl, who have suited up and now are in the moon, on the moon. The sky looks pitch black at night because there is no air around the moon. Even though it's pitch dark, you can still see the earth at night from the moon. So now you know why the sky is blue. The sun's light is made up of 7 different colors, out of which blue is the only color that disperses in the air and can be seen in your eyes. So I hope this was fun, a fun way to know why the sky looks blue. And thank you for watching. Bye.